The feline family includes house cats and their wild cousins. They share more in common than just being cute. Cats love to wrestle and play together. Play is a great way to practice their favorite hunting skill, pouncing. Sometimes cats creep up on prey before pouncing, and other times they hide and then surprise attack. Batting at moving objects helps eye-paw coordination. Most of the time. Cats have a lot in common, including their curiosity. After all, they are part of one big family.